Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Ayy, you pull me right back when I'm falling off the boxed in when I'm smoking on her. Less stress when you bless me with the shit gets dark when you wanna come up. Where did you go? You come and you leave. You never seem to be there when I need you the most. Getting lost in my own flow, sick thoughts polluting my mind. And when I get deep, somehow you come out of the sky. Tell me, what is the double two? Tell the homies about it, but there's never proof. Piece of paper on the tongue and the sound took shape. Half an hour in the system and I felt real great. Oh yeah. Ride through the night, way up high, to cathedrals in the sky. I ride through the night, uplifted, heaven risen. That's right, I'm on a mission. Vision, tripping, shit, I glisten. It's getting brighter, can you see that too? I'm feeling right to it, gotta step to it. Shake it like a dice, do it. Tell me what the time doing. Been on a journey for something like a couple days, but it's only been hours, I guess a nigga been faded. Off to the spaces, new realm chasing. Piece of paper pulling me to it, to my amazement. Put it on the tongue and the sound took shape. Half an hour in the system and I felt real great. Alright, ride through the night, way up high, to cathedrals in the sky. I ride through the night, way up high, fly up high to cathedrals in the sky.